Welcome to Speaker Upgrade Part 3.
Oh, I'm so silly. Oh, here we go, part 3 of this little woofer swap. This is how the new Goldwood speaker comes in a box. This is what you're gonna see. Let's take it out. It just comes wrapped in this little package thing here for protection. This is brand new. Never been opened. I just opened the box. This is what the Goldwood speaker looks like. And then this is the Klipsch, the factory Klipsch from the 6s. See the difference? That's what they look like.